Good morning, children. Today we are going to solve some more questions related to subtraction with borrowing. In this exercise, the questions are little different with the previous one. So let's solve it. Exercise 6b, which is on page number 51. Question number 1, A part is, you have to subtract 37 from 528. Now subtract 7 from 8. So 8 minus 7 is possible, right? So 8 minus 7 is 1. Now see, 2 minus 3 is not possible, so we'll take borrow from hundreds place. अब आपको hundreds की place से borrow लेना है और वो borrow आप कहाँ देंगे? तो tens place. So यहाँ 5 से पहले क्या आता है? 4. यहाँ 4 हो जाएगा and this 2 will become 12. Now 12 minus 3 is 9. 4 as it is. So 491 is the answer. See, in C part, 7 minus 3 is 4. 0 minus 2 is not possible. Take borrow from this 4. This will become 3 and this 0 will become 10. Now 10 minus 2 is 8 and 3 as it is. So 384 is the answer. In F part, subtract 149 from 735. So 5 minus 9 is not possible. First of all, we'll take borrow from this tens place. अब अगर यहाँ नंबर छोटा होगा in ones place, we'll take borrow from tens place. So 3 से पहले क्या आता है? 2. यहाँ हो जाएगा 2. This 5 will become 50. Now 15 minus 9 is 6. 2 minus 4 again not possible. Now we'll again take borrow from this hundreds place. अब 2 minus 4 possible नहीं है ना, तो अब आप कहाँ से borrow लेंगे? इस hundreds की place से borrow लेंगे. So यहाँ हो जाएगा 6 and this 2 will become 12. ठीक है? So 12 minus 4 is 8 and 6 minus 1 is 5. So 586 is the answer. So remember, जब आपके पास में ones की place में छोटा digit होगा तो आप 10 से borrow करेंगे और जब आपकी tens की place में छोटा number होगा तो आप 100 से उसको borrow करेंगे. Right? Next, I subtract 246 from 900. Now see, so 0 minus 6 is not possible. और हम कहाँ से लेते हैं? borrow tens की place से, but tens की place में भी क्या है? Already 0 है, so हमें इसको भी borrow देना पड़ेगा. So अब हम क्या करेंगे? इस hundreds की place से borrow लेंगे. So यहाँ 9 है, 9 बन जाएगा 8. This 0 will become 10, right? और अब क्या करेंगे? अब हम इस 10 से इस 0 को borrow देंगे, right? So यहाँ हो जाएगा 10, but this 10 will become 9. Okay? Let's do it once again. यहाँ 0 minus 6 था, that is not possible. 0 minus 4 है, ये भी possible नहीं है क्योंकि हम इसको borrow दे ही नहीं सकते, यहाँ पे 0 है. So हम कहाँ से borrow लेंगे? इस hundreds की place से लेंगे. ये hundreds की place हो गया 8, then this 0 will become 10. और अब इस 10 से borrow आप किसको दोगे? इस 0 को. So यहाँ 10 को हम कट करेंगे, this will be 9 and this 0 will be 10. Now 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 4 is 5 and 8 minus 2 is 6. 654 is the answer. In question number 2, now there is thousands place also. Subtract 36 from 4328. Now 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 minus 3 again not possible. Take borrow from this 3. This will be 2 and this will be 12. Now 12 minus 3 is 9. 2 as it is, 4 as it is. So 4292 is the answer. In this one, 7 minus 8 is not possible. Take borrow from this 9. This will be 8 and this will be 17. So 17 minus 8 is 9. 8 minus 9 again not possible. Take borrow from this 6. This will be 5 and this 8 will be 80. Now 80 minus 9 is 9. 5 minus 2 is 3 and 2 as it is. In G part, 3 minus 7 not possible. 0 minus 3 भी possible नहीं है और हम इससे borrow भी नहीं ले सकते. So we'll take borrow from this 1. अब 1 से पहले क्या आता है? 0. This will be now 10. अब इस 10 से हम borrow देंगे 3 को. So this 10 will be 9 and this 3 will be 30. So 13 minus 7 is 6. 9 minus 3, 6. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 4, 2. So 2066 is the answer. Here in H part, 7 minus 9 not possible. Take borrow from 5. This will be 4. This will be 17. Now 17 minus 9 is 8. 4 minus 9 not possible. Take borrow from hundreds place. यहाँ हो जाएगा 4 and this 4 will be 14. Now 14 minus 9 is 5. 4 minus 4, 0. 8 minus 8, 0. So 58 is the answer. Now children, here we are going to solve question number 3 and these questions you have to do in your notebook also. So A part is 265 minus 93. आपको इसी तरीके से आपका वर्क करना है नोटबुक में. Now 5 minus 3 is 2. 6 minus 9 not possible. Take borrow from this 2. यहाँ हो जाएगा 1 and this 6 will become 16. Now 16 minus 9 is 7 and 1 as it is. So 172 is the answer. In D part, 704 minus 56. 4 minus 6 not possible. इस 0 से हम 4 पे borrow नहीं ले सकते. So we have to take borrow from this hundreds place. यहाँ 7 है तो यहाँ हो जाएगा 6. This 0 will become 10. अब इस 10 से हम borrow देंगे 4 को. So यहाँ 10 की जगह हो जाएगा 9 and ये 4 हो जाएगा 40. Now 40 minus 6 is 8. 9 minus 5 is 4 and 6 as it is. Here in this one 510 minus 231. 0 minus 1 is not possible. Take borrow from this 1. यहाँ हो जाएगा 0. This 0 will become 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. Now 0 minus 3 not possible. Take borrow from this 5. यहाँ 5 की जगह हो जाएगा 4. Right? And this 0 will become 10. Now 10 minus 3 is 7. And 4 minus 2 is 2. In K part, 8300 minus 7235. So 0 minus 5 again not possible. 0 minus 3 भी possible नहीं है. हमें hundreds की place से borrow लेना है. यहाँ हो जाएगा 2. This 0 will become 10. अब इस 10 से हम इस 0 को borrow देंगे तो 10 की जगह हो जाएगा 9. And this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. 2 minus 2 is 0 and 8 minus 7 is 1. So 1065 is the answer. So children, for homework you have to do all parts of question number 1 and 2 of exercise 6B in your book only. And question number 3 के आपको A, D, F, G, J, K parts ही आपको आपकी notebook में करने हैं. Thank you.